Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this 80s inspired dress to impress look. So here we are turning the volume all the way up with a fabulous 1980s inspired look. And guess what? No VIP needed. So if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So let's start with the hairstyle. So in here for the hair, I'm going to use this hair and color it blonde like this, and then I'm going to combine it with this hair with the same color and this hair in here. So once you're done with the hair, you can start making the outfits. So first I'm going to go to the women's sections and put on this top and color it pink because it's into tight. Then I'm going to combine it with this dress with the same color, and let me put on this biker short and color it, just use the default color, and then to go it into type 2 like this. And as for the shoe, I'm going to grab the sneakers and change the first color and the second into pink. Okay, so now that's for the shoe. And let me grab this jacket from the men's section. And I'm going to use the purple color for the jacket. And now let me grab this socks, and I'm going to go it into high strip socks and change the color into purple like the jacket, like this. And now I'm going to grab some accessory in here. Let me grab this bandana for the hair, and I'm going to change the color into pink. And I'm going to grab this earrings in here and also this necklace, this one. Okay, so for a final touch, I'm going to wear some of the code items in here. So let's go to the fitting room. I'm going to put on the leg warmer and also the eyelashes. So for the leg warmers, I'm going to use this pink patterns, and let's add the eyelashes here. And now this is the final look for the 80s. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.